He worked diamonds all his life, and then overnight, Trump's 50% tariff left him jobless. Surat, Gujarat, the global capital of diamond polishing, where almost every gem in an American ring has passed through. But with Trump's tariffs jumping from 25% to 50%, the lights are going out across factories. Orders paused, wages vanished. And a $5 billion export pipeline is frozen. Over 50,000 workers have already been laid off. And nearly 800,000 more stare at empty workshops and unpaid rent. Ajay Lakam, one of the workers, says he can't sleep, his mental health is ruined. And he's not alone. Tobacco vendors, dhokla stalls, delivery boys, everyone tied to the industry is reeling. When the US punishes India for Russian oil, it's not diplomats who pay, it's fathers with no food for their kids. The silence from Delhi makes it worse. Modi hasn't stepped in, and relief is nowhere in sight. For those in the trade, survival means looking to lab-grown diamonds, alternate markets, or building hybrid skills. For the rest of us, solidarity counts. Even small relief like pausing electricity bills could ease the pain. Should India fight back with counter-tariffs, or renegotiate? Comment below if you know of any openings or leads for workers in Surat who've lost their jobs. Surat is bleeding, and silence won't save it. If your family or town depends on exports, type, "We're still standing," in the comments, and subscribe for more stories on how global policies hit Indian workers hardest.